Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. Today we are going to configure the Nodemon into our projects. Somehow what we are doing is now we are saving the file, again restart the server, saving the file, again restart the server. To avoid this, we are going to integrate the Nodemon into our Typescript projects. So let's see how we are going to do that. So let's have a look on that. So first of all, let me open the folder. So here I'm going to create a new folder which name is mkd make directory type tutorial. I think spell is wrong. Type tutorial. Okay. cd type tutorial. Okay, here we am going to add npm init hyphen y. Okay, for the packet.json. Then we are going to make a new file that is called touch index.ts because we are working on the ts file. Okay, so one more file, touch tsconfig.json, right? So these files are done. So first of all, we are going to configure this file. So code, let me open the code dot this. So it's opening a packet.json file and tsconfig. I need to add the code which I have already done this one. So I'm going to copy this and paste this one. So this one we are going to get into detail part of each and every this tsconfig.json file in the coming videos, right? So currently files we are using, that is index.ts file. Okay, so now we are going to configure the nodemon. So here we have the nodemon. We have to install this package. Oh, sorry, here, and copy this, go to the terminal, install this one. Okay, enter. So it will install the nodemon package. Now how to configure that into the packet.json, we are going to see that one. So here we have already done this one. Let me open the previous one code. So here we are in the packet.json. You need to just add this one. Okay, which file it needs to watch, this file. Okay, so here we go with this one, and just in the packet.json just add this line. Whether you want to dev server, whether we with the npm start, you can do that one. Okay, you can also write this one. So which file to execute? ts node index.ts file. Save this. Where we have an index.js file, here I am going to add any of the console.log, and here I'm going to add hello world. Okay, here, and if I go and just go and start the server, npm run start. Okay, so here hello world. Okay, so I need to minimize this one screen and let's add you over here. Okay, now you can see that. I think we should switch this both like this. Okay, so here if I do any of the changes like hello world 2 and save this, nodemon starts and it prints like hello world 2 too. So any changes that you are trying to do, it automatically save and the server restart automatically. So this is the very useful that nodemon you can integrate into your system typescript project. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.